Hello viewer, I'm 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴, and in this video I'll show you how, from where you can get cheap price SEO tool. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. And I will suggest you to please visit my YouTube channel. You will find some awesome useful tutorial. So here you can see I had created a lot of videos. Let's get started. So in this video I will review this website bundledseo.com. I use this website from last almost 2 year or 16 month or 18 month. So if you are looking to buy SEO tool, then I will suggest you to use this website. And here you can see it has 4 plan. $10. In a $10 you will get seamless Grammarly, Coolbot, Word AI and Oversuggest. Same as in a $15 you will get all of these. Here you can see a lot of SEO tool like seamless Grammarly, Cooltest, Word AI, Oversuggest, Majestic, Mozpro, Bullsumo, Spyfo, 𝐲𝐬𝐭𝐴 𝐬𝐬𝐿, Coolbot, and in a $30 monthly plan you will get 𝐲𝐬𝐬𝐿 also. And these are the monthly plan. So and in a $49 you will get 𝐲𝐬𝐿, SEMrush, and here you can see a lot of tool available in a mid journey also available with one click access. So if you are use my coupon code, that is 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴, then you will get 20% discount on any purchase. And if you need anything from this, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a very cheap price, like old Facebook page or account, or GitHub student developer pack, or Skillshare 3 month, 2 month, 1 month account, or it can buy premium for 1 month, 6 month, 12 month. That will be private account on your email address, or Grammarly premium for 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, 1 year, and the account will be private. Then Office 365 key or account, or Windows 10 11 key, which is online activation key, or email or Mozpro. You will get all of these from me. Just contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price, so don't worry. And if you are looking for any WordPress theme or plugin, then please contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price. And the plugin and WordPress theme all are the GPL license version, so you don't need to worry about that. And I don't promote anything cracked or nulled. So you will get GPL license with lifetime update feature like DB, Jana, newspaper, ClickMag, extra. Here you can see a lot of WordPress theme and plugin are also available. So if you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will suggest you to please visit my blog website, because some of the content which is YouTube does not allow to publish on my YouTube. So I post that stuff on my blog website. So please visit my blog website to read hidden content which is not available on YouTube. Thank you for watching video. See you in my next video.